Hey there, folks. Today, we've got a fantastic cooking hack for you that will make your tortilla wraps even more delicious and exciting. So, let's dive right in. Here's the tortilla wrap hack. 1. Take a tortilla and make a single cut. 2. Divide the tortilla into 4 quadrants visually and place different toppings in each section. For example, top left, smashed avocado or guacamole. Top right, grilled chicken or any protein of your choice. Bottom left, shredded cheese. Bottom right, salsa or sour cream. 3. Fold the tortilla clockwise, starting from the cut, to create a layered triangle. 4. Grill it on a pan or in a sandwich press until crispy and golden. And there you have it, a delicious and visually appealing tortilla wrap that's perfect for any meal. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome cooking hacks and tips. Happy cooking, everyone!